Hello everyone and welcome to Fugro Access. Today I'll be showing you how to create a new project in Fugro Access using the Project Management page. The Project Management page allows a manager to create new projects, edit project details, add or remove users, and add or remove vector data such as tiles and flight lines. The list of projects available depends on the manager's role. If the user is a project manager, they'll only see a list of their own projects. Default user roles with access to all projects and permission to use the project management page will see a list of all projects. Now let's get started by creating a sample demo project. First, log into Fugro Access with your credentials. Next, click the username and select Project Management. The Project Management page will then be displayed. Here in the Project Management section, you can see the project list that shows all projects available to the current user. There are filters to help narrow down your project search, whether it's by project ID, clients, or by closed and open projects. Since this tutorial will focus on creating a new project, go ahead and click the Add New Project button on the upper right-hand corner of the Project Management section. The Create New Project section will be displayed. Starting with the project ID, name, and project manager, enter the required project ID and project name in the corresponding fields. Next, select a project manager that is assigned to the current project. Moving to the next section is the map service information. Here you have the ability to add a map service for an online QC project by entering the URL and selecting the server type through the drop-down menu. Next is the project information section. This data is available for reference, and all vector data must be in the projection listed here. It cannot be changed, so please make sure the projection is correct before creating the project. Next is the client information. In the client field, select a client from the drop-down menu. Moving forward is the project sensor information. This section includes the sensor type, project area, GSD, and map units. All of the data in this section can be updated if necessary. The next section is the start and end dates. These dates can be modified in this section and are considered as a range. The final section before the project creation is complete is the project extent. Here you can upload a shapefile and database file that matches that of the deliverable projection assigned to the project. All you have to do is select the required files and drop them into the drop zone. If successful, the new coordinates will appear in the coordinates boxes listed. The geo-extent coordinates will also be filled in accordance to the uploaded files. If you notice a discrepancy, the coordinates can be manually updated. Once all information and fields have been entered, click the Create Project button located at the very bottom of the page. Now that your project has been created, the user can now edit the project user and vector data. If the project has flight lines, tiles, and blocks associated, the information can be added by going to the Project Management section, selecting the project, and clicking on Edit Data in the Vector Data column. The Manage Project Vector Data Select Project section is displayed. From here, click on the required tab and select Add Flight Line, Block, Tiles, and/or Boundaries. Similar to the step where we set the project's boundary, we will drop shape and database files into the drop zone. These files will need to be in the set projection of the project. Once files have been uploaded, set the ID fields to the required attribute. Once fields have been entered, click on the Upload button. This concludes the tutorial on how to create projects in Fugro Access. For more information, please refer to Fugro Access's user manual that can be accessed by clicking on your username and selecting User Manual. Thank you for watching, and please check out our other Fugro Access tutorials.